Why does your scanner show the P2339 engine code? What does it mean? P2339 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder number 4 above knock threshold. The P2339 engine code for indicate the vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected abnormal combustion vibrations, engine knocking, in cylinder 4 that exceed the manufacturer's safe limits. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty or uncalibrated fuel injector, defective knock sensor, damaged knock sensor wiring, incorrect ignition or spark issues, poor fuel quality or mechanical wear. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.